We are unboxing today V-Guard fan, 15 centimeter. You know, it's an exhaust fan. It is the cheapest exhaust fan available, 15 centimeter, and also the rotation per minute is very high. It is 1900. The other compared to this, same blade size from Havells, it was some around 1600 RPM. Okay. Now power consumption is also less. It is only 22 watts. So if you're looking for exhaust fan, this one is the best. The other fans, the same size, the other brands was some around 25, 35 even, So power consumption does matter. And this fan cost only $9.99. So I'll just show you how it is. That's how we unbox it. I'm gonna pull it out. So you have a manual and the fan inside. It's a basic fan. The screws you have to purchase separately. This is how it looks. So that's how it looks. You don't get a screw to mount, not with this. And that's the blade of the fan. It's pretty much basic fan. Thank you guys.